the first unboxing is let's see. I'm gonna do this real quick. Yes, a fortune cookie from Panda Express, where I had jumbo walnut shrimp and some peppery beef and some chow mein. If you want to chat with us live, join us at twitch.tv/Dave Bonowitz. All right, so here we go. I got it poked open, and now I'm gonna slide it out. Okay, it's already broke. It came broken. It's okay. It's just the way it came. Now, fortune cookies, if you don't know, they're usually served after a Chinese meal, typically. I'm sure there's other places that serve, I don't know, but this is pre-broken. I'm gonna eat some of it because what's inside is a fortune, and the fortune don't come true if you don't eat at least half of it. Very good. Now, here's the cool part. You can see there's a little fortune inside. I'm gonna throw this over here. I like when they make sense. Sometimes they don't make sense. This makes sense. We're headed in the right direction here on Bon Bon's Lair. You are headed in the right direction. Thank you very much, Fortune Cookie.